Hello, this is Dmitry Kocheruk, S4GA, and today's video is about S4GA Free Trial Program. This program is a unique opportunity for airports located all around the world to test and to be able to assess a performance of S4GA solar airfield lighting system. Civilian airports and military airbases are welcome to register in our program, and you will have our equipment rented to you absolutely free of charge for the period from 4 up to 8 weeks. So you will be able to actually see and be able to test our equipment in your operational conditions. Let me tell you about basic stages of S4GA Free Trial Program. We always start from the solar feasibility study. We used PVGIS system that stores meteor and solar irradiation data from the last 15 years to simulate how many hours per day can solar light function, operate in the given airport without the risk of blackout. Following feasibility study, we provide end user with trial system that usually includes several solar lights and also complete control and monitoring system. Control and monitoring system collects data from light every hour. We collect 27 data points that are further uploaded to S4GA monitoring portal. We provide end user with access to this portal, so end user can monitor daily performance of its trial system. After the trial is completed, we prepare on-site trial report that is provided to the end user and optionally can be provided also to Civil Aviation Authority that in certain cases would like also to assess this technology in case they never experienced it before. Until today, many different airports has participated in S4GA Free Trial Program. United Kingdom, Brazil, Croatia, Kuwait, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Ireland, and many more. I hope that by the end of this video, you have already decided to join S4GA Free Trial Program. If yes, I congratulate you. S4GA is a reliable partner where 150 different airports already are using its systems in more than 50 countries. If you would like to get assistance, please contact our sales support team and we will be happy to coordinate the logistics of our trial system into your airport. Thank you very much for watching this video.
This makes S4GA the world's safest runway lighting.